What's up, guys? Let's go fish panfish from that dock. Let's see what we can catch. One thing you do have to understand is that the water's super clear. There's just duckweed covering it, but it's still super clear water, even though there's all this duckweed covering it. All right, putting a worm in there, seeing what we can get. Dang it. Let's try that one more time. Just right in here. Just got this guy right here, just like that. Look at that. All right, I got a new worm on. Let's try this. Let's try this again. I'm trying to find, I want to try and catch a big one. Just, you know what, I'll put right down there. Just got that guy right there. Another panfish. Not a bad fish. All right, let's try this again. Drop it right in there. One's coming up to it. So close. So I think the panfish hooks I'm using are too big, so I'm gonna get some smaller panfish hooks. Because I'm using pretty big panfish hooks. So I'm gonna go get smaller panfish hooks and see if I can get a better hookup ratio. All right, I'm gonna use these size 6 hooks now. See if that works out any better for catching these panfish. All right, I saw some bigger ones down over here. I'm looking for big bluegill. You can see them through the water, but might as well try right here. Look at that. Another bluegill. Dang it, so close. Got this right there. Just gotta let him eat it. Oh, it just came off. That. Oh. He went back in there. Let's try right there. Look at that. Perfect bait size. Got a big one. Oh yeah. Nice size to him. Another one. Not a bad one. Not bad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a good one.